Hello everyone, this is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and in this video I'll be reviewing the company BRNE, and I'll talk about the massive 1000% explosion that occurred on August 9th, and to be even more accurate, it was 1000% in 3 hours only. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, this is a 5-minute candle chart. And I did that because the explosion was so hard, so fast, that it's easier to see it on a 5-minute candles chart. Now the float of the company is amazing. As you can see right here, it is only 250 million shares. The second thing I want to show you is the verified profile right here. And that verified profile was not on this website 3 days ago. It was added on August 9th, and that was the first volume that came in. It was because of this verified profile. This company was completely silent for about 5, 7, 8 years, a lot of time, and all of a sudden verified profile coming out of nowhere, and the retails loved that news and they started to buy a lot of shares, and that caused the first spike of volume, as we can see right here on the chart. These 3 green candles right here because of the verified profile. Now, what caused this continuation of this huge eruption right here, so many green candles in such little time? Well, that is another OTC market change, and as you can see on the description, there are 2 letters that matters the most, and these letters are EV. So that might indicate that the company changing their business description, their business model, to something with the EV sector. And on top of all of that, we can see right here on the Twitter that the company tweeted that they were able to identify the changing nature of the EV sector and took advantage of the new opportunity. We are going to release official news in regards to operations. Stay tuned. Now, these 2 updates got the stock to just explode, and those were the reasons for this 1000% rise in only 3 hours. Now, the reason for the fall right after, we can see 2 days of a lot of sellings, and basically the price went all the way down to 0040, as we can see right here, is because the Twitter account was most likely fake. As we can see right here, the name of the Twitter account, and if you will search that Twitter account, you will find it to be blocked or doesn't exist. Now, if that's the case, that probably indicates that this Twitter account was a fake one and those updates are not true. However, the OTC market update is true, so they are still in the EV sector, but these updates are false alarms. And also there is still an AS raise of 14 billion shares, so that's probably what caused the share price to go down, and those were the reasons for the 1000% breakout and then the almost 80% drop down right after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other videos, and don't forget to join our Discord community.